To link your Oak Park parking permit to your online account, go to oakpark.cmrpay.com. From this screen, you can create a new CMR Pay account or log into your existing account. To begin, click the Sign Up or Login button. From this screen, you will be able to log into your current account by entering your email and password, or create a new account by clicking Sign Up. To sign up, enter your email and a password. Password must meet the security requirements outlined below. Once you've created the email and password, click Sign Up. You have been sent a verification email to the email that you entered previously. You must click on this email in order to begin and continue the process. From your email, you will be given the verification email, so click Verify Your Account to proceed. Once you click that, you will get the successful alert saying your account has been verified. You are now able to log back in at oakpark.cmrpay.com. Going back, you will enter the email and password that you previously inputted when signing up for the account. Once you've entered the information, click Login to proceed. You have now reached the online portal for Oak Park's parking permits. From the letter that you received, you can enter the link code, which will add in the permit to your account. Taking that link code that was on the letter, click on the Link a Permit tab, enter the link code, and click Link Permit. At this point, you are now able to edit any fields that the village allows via their business rules, and you will also be able to manage online payment for this permit. This includes the auto renew functionality, which is an optional functionality that lets you renew the permit on a monthly basis with an automatic charge. To enter this information, enter your credit card, set the expiration and security code, and click Start Auto Renew. Again, this is an optional process.